Step 1. Come over to this brand new search engine and search any keyword and click on the search icon and get paid 20 cents for every single search click that you get. This website will pay you for all the clicks you generate and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor to this search engine. This has a super high conversion rate. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service. Everyone all over the world can join, meaning from any single country in this world. Traffic can join the search engine and you can earn 20 cents per click that you refer to the search engine. Step 3, use this brand new website that I'm going to show you that gets over 18 million visits and views every single month to drive thousands of traffic through to the search engine over here, where you will get paid 20 cents per every click that you refer. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your No BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various different ways on how I make money online. From drop servicing, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, creating content, building a brand, are all sorts of topics that I talk about on my YouTube channel. Trading coming soon as well. So if you want to get an epic video like this every single day from me to your phone, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Make sure to leave a like down below as well. It really pumps me up to see you guys leave positivity. Also, comment down below what your favorite payment method is so that I can hopefully make more videos around that topic, whether it's PayPal, cryptocurrencies, direct to bank, wire transfer. Comment down below the one that gets the most votes or the most comments. I will try and make more content around that specific idea. If you want to get 3 giveaways in this video, I'm giving away 3 completely free courses down below in the description of this video. All you need to do is click the link. There's going to be a download button on that page. You click on that and it will be sent to your email. These are 3 courses that I purchased throughout the year that I am now allowed to give away on my YouTube channel completely for free to kick boost you and to help you out with the most educational information as possible and to equip you with the skills to make money online. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time and we're going to hop straight into my PC over here. So this is the brand new website over here where you can earn up to 20 cents for every click and search that you refer to this search engine. This is a website that's not talked about enough on YouTube. Now I'm making a video on this because I want you to know more about this. If you're watching this video, make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this website just in a bit. So just to recap, you get paid for every click and referral that you refer to this website, up to 20 cents per visitor and click. High conversion rate simply because this is a free search engine. There's no sign up fees or anything like that. Instead of this website paying Google ads and Facebook ads thousands of dollars to get traffic to their search engine, what they're doing is they are investing into people like you and me to rather go and promote their search engine for them, and they will rather pay us a commission to refer people to this website. It's quite a smart business idea, as this company obviously has a large budget to invest into advertising. Now you can get a piece of that pie and everyone can join. Anyone, anywhere, with any type of site can join this program and start earning money within minutes. Over here is a brief image of what your dashboard looks like. And over here, here's a quick description on how it works. A visitor clicks on your affiliate link and they'll both pay you for the first initial click. But obviously, if the visitor goes through the process, the program is powered by Post Affiliate Pro, leading the affiliate tracking software. So the process is fully automatic, and this website has a little tool where if you refer someone to this website but they click off, but months or years later down the line they re-sign up, you will still get a commission, as it actually has what you call a cookie, which is like a little program that remembers that you referred this person, which is really great and contributes to the high conversion process. This program pays out via PayPal, so all earnings will be paid at the end of each month or the previous month. All payments are in US dollar, and obviously from PayPal you can withdraw from US dollar to your local bank account. The minimum payout is $50, so it's not some ridiculous amount of like $300-400. $50 is really easy to get to. It can literally take you a couple of days or a week or two, and you are there, and all you need to do is just enter your PayPal email address and it will automatically be sent. How much will you earn? You will earn up to 20 cents per click, and it's 100% free service, so there's no fee to sign up or any hidden fees or monthly fees like that. So the first step is you're going to come over to Google and you're going to search the term entire web, just entire web like this. The first link at the top where it says entire web search engine, click on this link over here. It's going to take you to the entire web search engine where we can go and search any term or keyword just like Google, but this time you can refer people to the search engine and get paid for that. You don't need to search anything. All you need to do is on the top right, there's a little 3-bar icon. Click on that. It will drop down a menu. You want to click on affiliates over here and open this in a new tab. which will take you to this page over here where we can go and create an account or log into our existing account, and where we can go and earn up to 20 cents per every click and referral to the search engine. You're going to click on create account over here. It will take you to this page where you just need to enter out some information such as your first name, your last name, your tracking ID, which is your own unique link. So you can go and use, for example, anything. You can go and use, for example, I would use Millionaire Mindset, and that is your unique tracking link. You need to enter your email. You don't have to fill out this additional information. You can leave it completely blank. Payment methods, select PayPal and just put your PayPal email over here. You don't need to enter publisher type or payee name or any of this. Just select PayPal, enter your PayPal email, click on sign up and agree to the terms and conditions, and it will welcome you to your page like this, where you need to go and check your inbox to get a verification email. Once you've clicked on that link and signed up onto the back end of your affiliate program for this search engine, you'll see at the top of this page over here is your unique affiliate links. Now, every time someone clicks on this, let's open this in a new tab, and makes a search or two, you get a commission of up to 20 cents per search and referral that you make. As you can see over here, I've had over 1,042 clicks in the last 32 days and $107.52 in the last 30 days so far, which is still pending. It does get paid out at the end of September, as it's end of every month. So that's why there's no currently paid out. And over here is refunds, which is like refunds on your affiliates, which I've had no refunds yet. So the only important thing that you need is your affiliate link at the top over here. And as simple as this, the most important resource is your affiliate link over here. All you need to do is just copy it or keep this open in a new tab so that you can come and copy it later. The next step is you want to come over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to reveal it in a bit, but before I reveal it, I just quickly want to show you a review of this website to show you that it is trusted and a legitimate website that people do rate and that has a good quality service. And I also want to show you the back end of this website and some great information that will help you understand the potential of this website. So firstly, this website is called gab.com. That's just gab.com, which is a new social media platform that is starting to really develop and grow fast, and it's completely safe, no threats detected. This is sent in by Trustpilot, so it is 5-star rated. There's nothing wrong or suspicious about this website. Currently, this website is the 3,356th largest website in the world, close to the 1,000th biggest website in the United States, and the 85th biggest website in its category. That is a lot. I mean, considering that is a lot to say, considering there's close to millions of websites out there on the internet. So be it number 3,000, that is at the top of the top. And this website, I can actually have a look here, is getting on average 18.25 million visits every single month. The average user on here for close to 10 minutes. That's crazy. And the most important part, take a look at this. The traffic from this website being United States, United Kingdom, Canada, France, and Australia, 68% United States. These are all top 5 first-tier countries with great currencies, with a lot of money, and visitors, traffic, leads from these countries have 10 times the amount of value than that of third world countries, meaning your clicks and your searches through your affiliate link are going to be worth that much more. Now that you know enough about this website, we're going to come over to gab.com. You want to click on sign up on the top right. I've already signed up an account. I'm going to log in with my existing account, and all you want to go and do is you want to go and post on your timeline. Now, what I found about gab.com to get lots of views and searches, or people to find your posts on your timeline, is to use hashtags with gab.com. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and type the following. But before we go and post on our timeline, firstly, gab.com blocks any types of affiliate links. So I'm going to show a loophole where you can actually still go and post your affiliate link with tons of hashtags on your tagline. You want to come over to Google and just search Google Docs and click on enter. The first link will be the link to Google Docs over here. Click on blank, start a new document. This is the link to the search engine that pays you 20 cents to search. Now what you want to do is you want to click on share on the top right of this Google document. Over here where it says get link, click on change to anyone with the link so it's public, and copy your Google documents over here. Now you want to come back to gab.com and you can type the following. Hey fellow Gab users, I just made 20 cents using this new search engine called the Entire Web. It has an excellent program that pays you 20 cents per keyword. It's free to sign up and it's worth a look. Here's the link to the search engine, and over here you've got your Google Docs, which will take them to this page over here. Now before we go and post this, we need to get a couple of hashtags to make this post at least get between 100 to 1,000 of views. So we want to go to Google and we want to type hashtag generator. Click on the first link, inflack.com, the best generator for Instagram. Search over here, and we want to go and type make money online as the main hashtag. Click on generate hashtags, and over here you just want to go and select all of these hashtags over here, each and every checkbox, until you've got a couple that's been added to your timeline over here. You can then click on copy, come back to Gab, click on enter a couple of times and paste these hashtags over here, and you can then click on post like this, and this post will post to your timeline. And if you post like this once a day, once a week, watch as tons of traffic find your post through your hashtags, and that's how you can get your first couple of signups. The second way to scale is actually you want to go and answer some questions on Quora. So we can go and search how to make money online on Quora. Just click on enter, and over here are tons of questions that people are asking on this forum on how do I make money online. You can go and recommend to people. I just found this browser where I made my first 20 cents searching simple keywords. You can go and click on it over here to go and sign up for free and sign up for the affiliate program to also make 20 cents per searches that you make. So this is a great way to get extra free traffic using Quora and gab.com. Let's just go to this one over here, for example. You can go and click on the comments over here. So yeah, you can see people are obviously asking questions. Now what you can go and do is to increase your conversion rates. You want to go and ask these people in the comments questions. You don't want to post your link yet. You want to ask them questions. Hey there, has this article worked for you? Have you had made money from it? Because I recently found this new browser that pays me 20 cents per search term, and it also has an affiliate program if you want to refer people to it and get paid 20 cents per search term. Would you like to check it out? It's very recent, and you want to ask them a question. If they say yes or no, obviously go on from there. If they say yes, you can tell them here's the link over here, because when you ask them a question at first, it shows that you are this real person and not a bot or a spam artist or anything like that. It shows that you are a legitimate person that does actually care and have emotions. People like that when it comes to selling something. So that's why I recommend first start a conversation before you just go and slap bang paste your link over here. But what I'm going to do is, if you want to make more PayPal money like this, I'm going to leave a playlist over here that will help you out with more simple strategies and different platforms that will pay you in so many different various ways like this. For example, getting paid to search on a search engine. It's such easy work. So click on this playlist over here. It will really help you out, and I'll see you over there.